Welcome to new video on finance for beginners. In this YouTube channel, I am regularly uploading our videos related to free hosting, free domain, free AI tools, free online tools and many other topics. And today in this video, I am going to introduce you with a website which will give you lifetime premium hosting. You will get this free hosting for lifetime and also you can add unlimited of add-on domain on this. And the best part of this website is you don't need to provide any debit or credit card information or call no credit card will be required to get this free hosting. Now first of all, open any internet browser and search Infinity Free web hosting with PHP and MySQL. Open this website. You have to create a free account. In order to create an account, you have to go through this register. I had already created an account, so I will directly log into the dashboard. Once you create an account and verify your email address, you will be redirected to this page from where you can create account. I had already created 2 accounts. You can create 3 accounts at the same time with this free account. To create account, click on this plus icon or create account button. You will be offered some paid or free packages. You don't have to go through these paid packages. Just click on this Infinity Free $0 forever. With this package, you will get 5 GB disk space, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited hosted domains. Now click on this Create Now. You will also get an option to choose subdomain or custom domain. If you had already purchased a domain, then you can simply point your domain name server to Infinity Free with ns1 infinityfree.com and ns2 infinityfree.com and add your custom domain. And if you didn't purchase your domain at, then go through this subdomain. You will also get an option to choose domain extension. Click here and choose our domain extension. Now click on this check availability. If your domain is available for register, then you will be proceed for next step. Now simply scroll it. In this step, you don't have to do anything. If you want to create a new password for your account, then you can simply create it from here, or also if you want to go with this default password. Now choose email consent and click on this create account. Now all the steps are complete and we get our cPanel. Now click on this open control panel. Control panel, which is widely known as cPanel for your website. Now click on this I approve. And here is your cPanel ready to use. If you had add your custom domain, then you have to go through this add-on domain and create add-on domain. And if you have used your subdomain, then you can directly go to this Softaculous app installer and install WordPress on your website. There are other Softaculous apps available: WordPress, Joomla, WHMCS and others too. You can see this list. Among these, WordPress is popular and easy to use, so click on this install. If you don't have any idea about how to install or customize WordPress on your website, then you can check thousands of tutorials from YouTube. I hope you love this video and get your free web hosting. If you love this video and find it helpful, then don't forget to give a big thumbs up to this video and also press the subscribe button for financial beginners and also hit the bell icon for the latest update. This much for today. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Have a good day.